Hey everyone, today let's quickly break down Radius, a key protocol used in network security. Radius stands for Remote Authentication Dial-In User Service. It's a protocol that manages authentication, authorization, and accounting, often called AAA. Here's how it works in simple terms. First, we connect to the Radius client, in this case, an access point, using our credentials. The access point then forwards our credentials to the Radius server. The Radius server checks a database, in our case Active Directory, to verify if the credentials are valid. If they are valid, the server responds with an authentication approval, and we're now connected to the Wi-Fi. You'll mostly find Radius in corporate networks and public Wi-Fi setups. To summarize, Radius is an authentication protocol used in corporate networks and public Wi-Fi to authenticate users trying to access the network. Here are the 4 steps, again, how Radius works. First, the user attempts to log in. Then, the Radius client, for example, an access point, forwards the login credentials to the Radius server. The Radius server then checks a database, for example, Active Directory, to verify the credentials. And at last, if the credentials are correct, the user is authenticated and granted access